This video shows how to register for a nonprofit sales and use tax refund account ID for qualified nonprofits to be able to request a refund from the North Carolina Department of Revenue. To access the electronic Form E-585NPA, navigate to the Sales and Use Tax page on ncdur.gov by selecting Taxes and Forms, then Sales and Use Tax. Then select Other Resources. Under Technical Publications and Resources, select Nonprofit Sales and Use Tax Information. And under Register a Nonprofit Organization for Refund Claims, select Form E-585NPA Application for Nonprofit Sales and Use Tax Refund Account ID. Finally, select E-585NPA Online Form to open the application. All required fields are marked with a red asterisk. To fill out the form, start under the Identifying Information section by providing the nonprofit's federal ID number. If the nonprofit has a trade name or a name they do business as, enter that name in the trade name field. Enter the legal name of the nonprofit as appropriate with a contact person, a valid phone number to contact them, and an email address. For the purposes of this video, we are using a corporation and have selected the corporation option. Based on the selection, applicable fields for corporation display in the Identifying Information section. Select the state of incorporation or organization, and finally, provide the Secretary of State ID associated with the organization. Under the Address section, enter the entity location in North Carolina, not the address of an individual owner or representative. If the mailing address of the nonprofit entity is different than the entity location, check the box and enter the mailing address. In our example, we did check this box because the mailing address is not the same as the entity location. Next, select an entity type. In this example, the option Organization Exempt from Income Tax under Section 501c3 was selected. Select if the organization is a church or other. For this organization, we selected Other. Type in the NTEE classification code that is assigned by the IRS. Determine if the nonprofit is currently registered for NC Sales and Use Tax or Withholding Tax. In our example, the nonprofit has registered for another account ID with the department, so Yes is selected and the account ID is provided in the next field. Based on the entity type that is selected, the documents that need to be attached will populate here. Those documents can be uploaded by clicking on the box below the attachment section as you see here. In our examples, we have attached a copy of the organization's 501c3 federal determination letter, articles of incorporation, and the bylaws. Now that those sections are complete, the last section of the application before submission is the signature section. The user signs their name as the individual submitting the application, prints their name, and lists their title. The date field automatically populates with the date the user completes the application. Finally, check all the information is correct and click Submit to complete the application. Once the application is submitted, an email will be sent to the email address provided to confirm the submission of the application. If it is determined that the nonprofit organization qualifies to receive funds for sales and use tax paid, a letter will be mailed to the nonprofit organization advising the nonprofit does qualify, and the account ID number will be provided within 30 days.